What's good, everybody? Thanks for tuning in and stopping by the channel. Today's video will be unboxing our newest Ambassador X. Now if you're new to this channel, I want to invite you to subscribe. That way you stay up to date with all the cool things we do have coming in the future. Enough with the talking. Let's get right into the video and start unboxing the Ambassador X.
And here it is at last, our newest watch to the collection, the Ambassador X. Now before I start going over all the details of the Ambassador X, I want to explain why it is that we brought back our plastic watch. When we created Meister watches, we started with the plastic watch, and the reason for that was we were able to offer more color combinations with a plastic watch. We started noticing in 2009 there wasn't a lot of watch options that offered a lot of colorways to match your sneakers or your outfits or just your everyday use. So having a plastic watch allowed us to not only create new color combinations, but be able to customize colors on the watches that other brands weren't doing or paying attention to. Now that we covered some of the history and the explanation of the Ambassador X, let's get into the details. As the newest piece to our time catalog, it was only right that we made an all black watch. Anytime we make an all black watch, it definitely sells out. It's an automatic fan favorite, just like our major, our Ambassador MK3. I believe the Ambassador X in all black will definitely become a fan favorite. Like the Ambassador X has a 6-hand chronograph. The movement chosen for the Ambassador X is a Japanese Miyota JS20. All Ambassador X's will feature our signature 8-hexagon full stainless steel bolts, stainless steel pushers, and crown. Now let's get into the size of the Ambassador X. It is a much smaller watch from the Ambassador or the Major or the Ambassador MK3. The Ambassador that you're so familiar with, our flagship model, is a 45mm. This is reduced down to a 40mm. Let me put side by side the Ambassador X to the Ambassador, and you can see just how big it is. So this is the Ambassador at a 45mm. Now this is the Ambassador X at a 40mm. If you're looking for a smaller, lighter watch that has some of the great features that the Ambassador does, the Ambassador X is definitely for you. Plus, at the price point, it's definitely a steal. Another key feature I want to point out is the interchangeable strap. All Ambassador X's will come equipped with this textured silicone rubber band, and on the back of that band has a latch. Once you pull down this latch right here, it removes the band, releases it, allowing you to put on a different band. It could be any colorway that you want. This gives you the freedom and the customization to make it your own watch. All Ambassador X's are water resistant to 50 meters and come with a stainless steel backing.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the breakdown of the Ambassador X. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Again, I do want to invite you to subscribe. In the future, we will be hosting giveaways on our YouTube channel. I want to encourage you to leave your comments down below. We want to know what you thought about the unboxing of the Ambassador X and what new colorways we should possibly do for this model. Stay tuned to see the Ambassador X on wrist and some cool lifestyles. As always guys, we appreciate you tuning in. Until the next video, take care.